Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A16. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So in the cover here of the box there's another little white box here, so sometimes it's laying in here directly, and on the back of the little white box you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can also use, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, you're able to insert next to the main SIM card a second SIM card if you want, or a MicroSD card in case if you want to extend the internal storage. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. It belongs here to the first position. Press it right, that's where I inserted. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. It only fits like that. And the contacts, they are below. If you want, you can add now a second SIM card. If you want to do it, place it here at this place, press it well so that it's well inserted, and this is how it should look like then. As well, like the first SIM card, there's a missing corner on the SIM card, and it belongs only to the missing corner at the SIM tray. It only fits like that here, and the contacts, they are below as well. Okay, if you want to extend the internal storage with a microSD card, you need to decide between a second SIM card or a microSD card. That means if we want to extend the storage, we need to remove here the second SIM card and insert now at the same place the microSD card, which one requires the whole space. And yeah, press it well, and this is how it should look like then. Yeah, it only fits like that. And yeah, the same thing, the contacts, they are below here as well. Okay. Anyhow, which construction you have right now. So just put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot. So the written words are always to the display side, so on top, close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.